All right, so this is how to apply eyelashes. So you're gonna need a mirror like this, a mirror that you can flip it up. Okay, you're gonna need to be able to look down into your mirror to some extent. And now I have my eyelashes. You want to get your lash glue on the actual band, on the top of the band. So the top, not on the hair. Okay, a lot of people get the glue on the hair and it makes the lashes look, it makes your eyes look droopy. So you want to apply it on the top because it's going to give the lash a more lifted look, because it's going to apply more like this rather than this. Like this rather than this, if that makes sense. Okay, now if you need to, cut one piece of the edge off, like one cluster of the lash off. And basically I'm going to, some people do this with their fingers. Should I try with my hands? I've been doing this for so long with a lash applicator. Let me just show you all the way I do it. Okay, so I grab my lash applicator, I hold it by the front, and then I use my ring finger and my thumb to hold it by the end. And then I look down into the mirror, look down slightly, lift your eyebrows if you need to, and basically like you're pressing it down on the lashes. Okay, press them down on your natural lashes, and then look if you need to cut it. So by this time you should be able to like tell if it's gonna be too long. You can cut off a cluster off the end, and you can cut off a little front. There's gonna always be a little front region here that's sticking off. You can just cut off that little region at the front where there's no lash. Apply your lash glue on the top of the lash. Use whichever lash glue suits you. Okay, this is what I have handy. So I get it on the top of the lash band like this. Do you guys throw your eyelashes after one use? I have a very toxic trait of like throwing away the lashes even though they're like perfectly fine. All you have to do is like pick the glue off. But you see, I'm probably gonna throw away these when I'm done too. All right, so now that you have it, if it's regular lash glue, you want to wait for 20 seconds for it to dry, 20 to 30 seconds. We can blow on it or you can just put it down. Oh, and here's the next thing. You don't ever want to apply too much glue on the band. You want to apply good amounts, but not too much because it takes too long to dry. So I'm just blowing on mine to help it dry. Then I'm going to hold the lash at the front with the applicator. You're going to hold on to the actual lash, not the band, at the front, and then you're going to use your finger, your your index finger and your thumb to hold the end, and you kind of want to swirl it like this, bend it and move it up and back and forth, and this is going to help to shape the lash. Then you want to look down into the mirror. So you can angle the mirror how you like it. This is why I say like it takes some practice, because you kind of have to see like what works for you. Okay, you want to angle the mirror, and you kind of want to look down and figure out like which angle that you can kind of see what you're doing. That's the whole point of angling the mirror like this, so you can kind of see what you're doing. Lift your eyebrows if you need to. Now you're basically trying to, now the aim here is to just stick the lash. Okay, so you don't have to be perfect, but you just basically want to stick the lash onto the lash line or on your lashes. Okay, so that's my whole goal here. So once I get it on, once I'm able to get it sticked to some extent on the lash line, then I can go with my lash applicator and start to press it down and adjust it to make it perfect. See? So the main objective here, the biggest goal, is to be able to stick the lash, like stick it down one time where it's kind of like sticking on a bit. Then you can like fix it, you can adjust it, you can pull it a bit, and you can press it down to tack it into place. So the issue that I see with a lot of people is when they're putting on the lash is they're leaving out a lot of the end. So make sure when you put on the lash, it's in line with the lash line perfectly, and there's none of the lash sticking off at the end. Okay, very important. You just press and see there. That's how that looks. Now we'll move to the, so as you can see, my mirror is not angled that much. So you don't have to angle it down. Some people like look down in the mirror. You don't have to do that. You can just angle it to where it feels comfortable for you. Okay? So mine just has a slight angle to it. As long as you can kind of see what you're doing. Alright, so hold the front of the lash on the actual lash and hold the back of the lash with the tool. And you want to see, you need to angle your face up a bit. So tilt your chin up and look into the mirror. So I need to angle my mirror more. And then you just want to place down the lash on the lashes. I actually just press it down onto the lash. And then once it's somewhat on, making sure that the lash is not sticking off on the end, then you can start to press down the lash on the lash line, see? You just take your time. And one thing, you know, when it comes down to eyelash application, you cannot rush this. 100% you cannot. I recall like going out and like having someone outside waiting on me, like having people waiting for me outside, and I'm trying to stick on a lash and I'm like literally panicking because I'm like, Kristen, this is not something you can do in a rush, but like it makes the makeup look so tea, so you don't want to miss that step. So you know what I did? I just said, sorry, I need some extra time, and I just had them wait. Because I cannot do this. You can't do this anxious, especially if it's the first time doing it. So that's how you do it, and keep practicing, it will get better. Or you can just get lash extensions, or you can get cluster lashes. I love to put a little clusters at the end because I feel like it's easier and it's quicker. So if you want me to show you to do that, I can. But this is how you do a strip lash, okay?